What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guess where we're gonna go today?
To the car show, guys!
Car show! Today we're gonna go to a car show. There is an event here at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel or casino, whatever you call that place.
It's a casino, so it's like inside there's like grown-up arcade machines.
He calls it a grown-up arcade, but we're not even gonna get into that. So so they have an event. I think they do it every year. They do like a car show where they have exotic cars that they bring out so that people could go and look and I guess see cool cars.
And like when you see like exotic cars, probably they rev a little bit.
Oh, you mean like they'll rev the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully we see some cool cars today.
They also are having a raffle.
They're also having a raffle for a Dodge Challenger, I believe. I don't know.
Or football.
A what? What does this guy say? So they're giving away a car at a raffle as well. Hopefully, I'm gonna enter it. I'm gonna win. Hopefully, that would be cool if I win though.
And there's a lot of food trucks, so we can see what it is that they have. Try different foods. Hopefully, Liam can try some new foods. Huh?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, he doesn't really
He's a
like.
picky eater.
Yeah. So they're gonna be, supercars, exotic
cars.
exotic cars. We're talking Ferraris, Lambos, McLarens. That's how you say it? That's how you say it, McLaren? Okay.
Okay.
And then Porsche, all types of different stuff. So
And Audis.
oh, and Audi's good. That's a good one, man. So what car are you hoping to see today?
Well, I wanted to see the new Ferrari and the Lamborghini
okay.
STO.
Okay, new Ferrari,
Look what he's
Lamborghini,
riding.
STO. Okay. Yeah, I'm hopefully, I hope I see a Dodge Viper. That's my favorite car right there.
Dodge Viper, where is it?
No, I say I'm hoping that I see one.
Oh.
Yeah, so all right, guys, so we're gonna get there. When we get there, we'll show you guys what it looks like. So we will see you guys shortly. Peace. Oh. Yeah, okay, we're gonna cut that. So we'll see you guys shortly. Peace. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the car event and man, they have some awesome cars out here. You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
There's some nice cars out here. I already see a Lambo. I see some Ferraris, some McLarens, I think. So we're just gonna show you guys, go through it, show you what kind of cars that we have here.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Woo!
What kind of car is this?
A Lamborghini Aventador.
Alright guys, so we just got some food. We're gonna sit down and eat for a little bit. We got some french fries over here. Some burgers. And then we're gonna go back and look at some more cool cars. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Guys, we were eating first, and when we saw all the cars, the exotic cars, they all left.
Well, what car do we have here right now?
The 240 S13.
So we just finished at the car show. It was a great day for cars.
I saw a very cool car.
Yeah, which one was your favorite car throughout everything?
I told you the Lamborghini Aventador SV, but the McLaren Senatoni is the purple one.
Purple one was really nice, guys. So if you enjoyed this video and you really liked it,
Please like and subscribe, guys.
do what the kid says.
Yep.
No, for real, do what kid says. Like and subscribe. See you guys. Bye. Peace.
Bye.